If he could do it, who am I complaining I cannot do this or that? So he's a very good choice for an inspirational figure. Now the thing is, for this particular project, it's not for him or Nick or anybody else to inspire the audience. It's best if we ourselves, the speaker, who is the one that is inspiring. Okay? So I would suggest, now first and foremost, establish your inspirational story as the opening of your inspirational speech. Now I don't know how much time you had to prepare for this particular project. I assume it's only today. Yeah, right? Not like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. It's today. But it's okay. It's okay. Moving on, you should be having your inspirational speech in your pocket at any time, at all time. You never know when you need to deliver an inspirational speech. It could be by the roadside, it could be in the surau, it could be suddenly the headmaster just call you up on stage and just say something inspirational. You never know. So have one inspirational speech in your pocket all the time. So the best, in my opinion, to craft an inspirational speech is to have the opening your inspirational stories. For your case just now, you should have your learning how to swim from, from not knowing, from giving up, or from having no inspiration to swim, to knowing how to swim and almost getting the award or the prize. Yeah, it's inspirational nonetheless. So having that as an opening, craft it, write it, go over it many times, finalize the wording so that the opening 2 minutes, 3 minutes is excellent. Just that. Give all the details, the vivid words, the gestures, the strokes and everything. Have it there as an opening. Then you need to, the project requires you to connect with the audience. So you need to know who's in front of you, your fellow SDARians. What are their challenges? Use the time, because it's a long speech, 8 to 10 minutes just now, it's too short. It's a long project. Use the time to interact. That means you just ask rhetorical questions, hoping that they would respond. Say, what are your challenges now? What are your challenges now? You don't want to tell, but I know because I'm like you. Number one challenge. I don't know, what's your challenges in SDAR? Yeah. You're too far from town. Whatever. It's too demanding. Maybe the school expects you to be this tall, but you're about this tall. What to do? So identify those challenges, things that are making everybody down. So that's how you connect with the audience before.